Hi guys, welcome back to Warthog Defense. I'm Seat. The situation for Ukrainians in Avdiivka is challenging, but they are still destroying Russian armor en masse. Additionally, the Russian strike in Sedlove near Avdiivka is confirmed, but the Ukrainian losses are far smaller than the several thousand men claimed by Russian propagandists. It's a simple truth of war, and Ukrainians must be more careful not to repeat similar mistakes and to avoid large groupings in a range of Russian artillery. Stick around until the end and there is a gold there. A story about a Canadian family that decided to move to Russia.
The Deep State Channel says Russian column was attacked and destroyed last night northeast of Avdiivka. Katsaps were preparing to transfer the equipment to Avdiivka, but were destroyed between Verkhnyotoretsky and Kamyanka. Great joint work of all Avdiivka brigades and battalions. Russian telegram channels continue looking for positives about the destruction of the Caesar Kunikov large landing ship. This is what one of them writes. Heard about destruction of our landing ship? They say it was carrying shells from the Tambov gunpowder factory. So, despite the tragic situation, one can notice that the shells detonate even underwater. I hope that now there will be no complaints about the quality of our gunpowder. Russian Omsk-Transmash has shipped a batch of T-80 BVMs to the Defense Ministry. There are no new improvements compared to previous deliveries. Note the roof cages. They are a part of regular equipment of Russian tanks. Operators of strike drones of the Black Raven Group division finish off Russian equipment in the Luhansk region, in the area of the village of Bilogorivka. And we have a great story from Yulia in Ukraine. Canadian couple and their 8 children moved to Russia, realize they fucked up, and want to come back. After taking a large sum of money from an unidentified party. Sorry, not sorry. No take-backsies.
Today let's talk about a Canadian family that has 8 children that sold everything they had in Canada and moved to Russia. The Arendt Feistry family, I hope I pronounced that correctly, moved to Nizhny Novgorod region of the Russian Federation a month ago from Canada to raise their 8 children in the spirit of orthodox values away from the LGBTQ plus community.
Well, Canada's not the same country it used to be, and we didn't feel safe for our children there in the future anymore. There's a lot of left-wing ideology, LGBTQ, trans, just a lot of things that we don't agree with that they teach there now, and we wanted to get away from that for our children. Also for economic reasons, for farming, better opportunities, we felt Russia was best. Russia also has the strength to stand up against Western pressures, and yeah, I think it'll stand on its own and it'll keep that stuff away for many, many, many years. Other countries are under the Western influence and wouldn't be able to stand up against it, I don't think. So, why Nizhny Novgorod? It looks a lot like where we're from. It's got a similar climate, lots of land, lots of opportunities, and the government is interested, or tells us that they are very interested in working with Western farmers and helping us to get established here.
Today, the family's accounts have been blocked, they have nothing to live on, and Feistry's wife has already declared her disappointment with Russia, Russian Federation regional media reported. It is reported that the family moved to Russia to farm. Feistra believes that there is a lot of good, cheap land here. In Canada, the family sold real estate and transferred the funds to a Russian account. The bank found the transfer suspicious as the Canadians were unable to justify the origin of the large sum in time, and it blocked their accounts. In addition, few bank and government employees understand English well. Canadians have to communicate with them through machine translation, which complicates the process. Now the family has nothing to buy groceries with. Aarons shared the details on his blog. He is still hoping to settle the matter, hoping that a workaround can be found to unblock the account. At the same time, in the comments, he is told that it is unlikely that he will succeed, and it is more likely that he will be recognized as a foreign agent. Feistry's wife in the video puts it bluntly, "Okay, that was really dumb. I'm very disappointed in this country at this point. I'm ready to jump on a plane and get out of here. We've hit the first snag where you have to engage logic in this country, and it's very, very frustrating."
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this story. Stay with Warthog Defense. Comment, like, subscribe, become our member, and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.